My company is the nation's largest installer of solar control security window films for buildings, and New York City has the most buildings in the United States. A large number of those buildings were built pre-1980s, so that means they could all benefit from energy efficiency retrofits. So the pain point for Wall Street Plaza was every building in Manhattan has to get an energy model and an assessment by an authorized consultant to determine what their energy score is. The average energy score in Manhattan for a building is 62 out of 100. Their consultant told them that they were going to have six-figure exposure because of their carbon emissions relative to the square footage and the size of the building.
The building is definitely known for its glass. That's probably its biggest asset. And when we get tenants to come here, that's the biggest thing they like, is they like the amount of light. In New York City, they want all these buildings to become energy efficient. It's a lot of work to get them up to the standards.
What's different is that because of the size of the windows on this building, and these are massive windows, you can't just put an interior applied film on, because essentially when you put a film on, it absorbs heat. If it gets too hot, you could potentially risk breaking those windows. In essence, we were able to show them this new product from Solar Gard that has a technology on the hard coat that allows it to go on the exterior and last, and therefore this now became an opportunity. The scale of this job is substantial, and the reason that there's not a lot of large exterior solar film projects in Manhattan is because most companies in the United States in our industry are not experienced in tall building exterior film applications. There's training, there's certification, there's experience. Not everybody wants to jump in a basket 30 stories off the ground, and New York is heavily regulated. For us, this is our bread and butter. Our firm has union installers, we have experience, OSHA certified, we can come in here and knock this stuff out. And then there's the bonus of we don't have to disturb the occupants.
I think this will help a lot of building owners, because the other option is to change the glass. And to change the glass in a building like this will cost an astronomical amount of money. This is an easy solution. I think we will see a big difference on energy conservation for this building.
Simply put, we were able to validate the savings, improve the performance, where we could save this building $200,000 a year in energy costs. And as a result, the utility approved a project rebate that was 30% the project cost. In addition to that, this building is going to benefit from the reduced exposure to local law 97, which is essentially a tax on buildings that exceed a certain tonnage of carbon emissions. So this is a complete knockout of the park.
This is going to be the first project that they approved for an incentive in New York City, and NGS was able to work that out with them.
They get their savings, they get their rebate, everybody's happy. If you're a building owner and you're thinking about how can I save money or how can I contribute to making a greener, more sustainable environment, call NGS. We have the engineering team, we have the operations team, and we have the business development team to help you develop these projects at no cost to you, and we can help you achieve the savings and make your building more valuable to you, to your tenants, and to the people around you.